Alright, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. Time for episode 5. Yes, of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw, Gemma found out about Abel and then had a heart attack or something. Jesus. Let's get to it. Gemma passed. She had a fucking heart attack. Hey, at least you're alright. You're not gonna wake up happy.
Oh, shit.
Right. I thought he was going in for a hug. I was like, that's odd.
Can't be. Jimmy and O'Neill saw Cameron get scooped up as soon as he hit Belfast. He didn't have Abel with him.
Well, then somebody's full of shit.
Beeping.
Told her I'd sign off on her bullshit story. She takes death off the table. I get weekly visitations.
Jesus. What? No.
Too old to run.
Right into this world.
Oh, Gemma.
That attitude is really not going to serve you.
You sound like my mother.
Wise woman.
I hated her. And she's dead.
It may all go away. Now, if you were to speak with Tara and refresh her memory as to Iris.
This bitch.
You're going to have to step out.
Yes, of course.
Oh my God. She is the worst. She's gotta go. I love Stall, but god damn, she does not make it easy.
Talking this way makes me feel very conspicuous.
All right.
Feels like a setup.
Shit. Grab him. Get him. Pull him down. Pull him down. You too.
Let's go.
God.
Sorry. Come on, hero. Let's go. Let's get you patched up. Huh? That hurt?
Clay's an ass. Fingers.
You might need more than one unfamiliar face to scope this place out.
You want to go undercover, Chucky?
I accept that.
All right.
Guess I didn't officially turn myself in.
But you called her. She knew.
She's desperate.
Yeah, Clay was right.
What the hell does that mean?
If it was your flesh and blood, you would have thrown yourself in front of a bullet.
That's unbelievably cruel. I did everything I could.
Everything except save him.
Oh!
How far along are you? Quite the secret queen lately.
Yeah, well, I'll learn from the best.
I'm assuming it's Jax's.
Oh shit!
Good.
That's it?
She was a savage.
Good.
What the fuck is going on with her? Oh, it's been a rough day.
Serious lad insisted it was important for Ma to call back.
Right. They leave a number.
Oh, I can't follow simple fucking instructions.
Go.
Go.
Chucky's.
Act Mexican.
What do I do if I see something?
You're gonna come back to that van alive and go.
Act Mexican. Oh, Jesus.
Shh. I just found him.
Guys, I didn't do anything. Leave me alone.
What the fuck?
I piss off the army, I end up with my head squeezed off by a razor wire. I'm sorry, darling. I have nothing to say.
said plenty.
Shit. I got a whole thing going off in Ireland? Different sex and shit?
To be more cooperative.
Not gonna let your gas boss give my old lady a heart attack. I'm going in.
It's okay. Come on in, gentlemen. You should do this as well. Have a nice life.
What is the move? I can't think of a move. What are the secrets in Belfast? Oh, what the fuck are you doing?
What are you doing?
Trying to help you.
Protecting this hospital. Consider your request for a leave denied.
Go ahead. Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ!
You and Jimmy lied to me.
Why is he doing this?
I don't know.
I do.
Just go!
Did he kill him? No, he didn't kill him. He would have showed if he killed him.
Listen to you.
You think?
You just get some sleep. We'll make it all right.
I hope so. I doubt it.
What the hell are you doing here?
Bringing your work home with you, huh?
I never seem to learn.
Terrorist threat. I'll hand deliver Jimmy O'Fallon. Give you the names of his real IRA contacts. And my sworn statement.
What?
Even if I could push the bail here and you guys still can't leave the country.
It's my problem. We just can't have the fugitive heat.
And your mother?
Your lie set this whole nightmare in motion. I don't give a shit what you have to do. Can your statement.
Immunity is a complicated problem.
Immunity is bullshit. Too many strings. I want a statement signed by you, clearing her of both kills.
What?
Enough illegal weapons to trip Homeland Security?
More than enough.
This asshole has to disappear. You can't reach out, no lawyers. Or this all goes away for both of us. I deliver Jimmy and my sworn statement. You sign off on the club's gun charges and my mom. Hey, I'm the one that's got to deliver. You got nothing to lose. It's you and me. We're all we got.
You know I love Gemma. Been my favorite character since the show started. You know I love Stall, strangely, even though nobody agrees with me. And I love Clay, and I love Tig and Bobby. And I've had a love-hate, I don't say love-hate, relationship with Jax. However, it's a new number one. New number one at the top of the list. Captain Jax. Think I'm in love. Go ahead, sir. I'm not sure he can pull this off. But the fact that, number one, he has a plan. He has put the plan into motion. And the plan is to save as many people he gives a fuck about as possible. Go ahead, sir. I don't ask for much. Just for everybody in this club to stop being fucking stupid. And at least one of you has come close, has started a plan, has at least admitted he has a problem, which is the first step to fixing any problem, is to admit you have one and to fucking put some processes into motion that rectifies the problem. Okay, what was that? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That's the most I've enjoyed a scene since the very first episode. That's my favorite scene since the first episode. That's a phenomenal, game-changing scene. Yes, it could go horribly wrong. Who cares? That's a phenomenal, game-changing scene. Now, for those of you who know, I don't think anything will ever beat Asian Elvis. That's just, don't even think about that. It's an impossible standard. But right after that, one more time, I bro. What? Let's see how much I love that. If Jax doesn't pull it off, I'm still okay. It's the attempt, it's the effort, it's the thought process that counts. God damn it, with his kid missing, the mom facing jail, everything's going horribly wrong. He maintains his mental faculties enough to fucking put this together. I don't ask for much. I do ask for much. And Jax gave it to me. I'm so happy. What was that? Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Who's on the screen? Jimmy Macrum. It's time for episode 6 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw, fucking finally, somebody on the show. I shouldn't have cursed. They want me to curse in the first 30 seconds or so. Yeah, whatever. Shooting bucks. Jax. Somebody thinking long term. Come up with a plan. Let's do recon. It's not a plan. A whole plan. Right, Jax. Let's get to it.
We need a way into the clinics.
When we blow off that bail hearing this afternoon, we're underground. It's gonna be a little hard to earn. I think maybe Tara can help us move those scripts.
Jesus.
That's nothing. I'm not expecting you to be okay with this. Good. I can be an asset to the charter. Right? I'm just asking you to give me a chance.
You done?
What the fuck did Lem do? I'm so curious.
Don't get yourself killed.
Get the hell out of here.
Shut the door!
Yes.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Cozy. Yeah.
Nay.
Damn. Jesus. God damn. What did he do?
No,
Should we do anything?
Yeah, get some brooms.
Right into this world.
That was fun. Oh, Jesus. About Tara.
But if she's out, you don't let that hammer fall until she moves those scripts for us. We don't get that cash. We don't get your son.
This fucking animal.
Yeah, you're gonna need more than that.
It's heavy. That's heavy.
I know the money is to get you guys to Belfast. Let me help.
She's a soldier, Lieutenant Jax. Go ahead! She scares me more than a little bit. Like, she's willing to go to the ends of the earth. But what's we need?
Where did you get this? Who wrote it?
I can't tell you that. Not yet. This is what happened at the safe house. Point for point.
This is from Stahl. isn't it?
Damn, she did that fast.
Jackson.
Mom, you need to trust me. And this has to be our secret.
That might work on her. Our secret. She loves her son probably more than anything.
Never got to formally express my condolences.
A little
Yeah,
late
it was
now.
a pain in the ass, but it's a bad way to go.
Yeah.
He said he can't help you, right?
Then this ATF agent walked out of the back room. She'd been hiding there the whole time. My guess, she's the one who killed Edmund. She's in this room.
Agent Stahl.
No. It was her.
What? What?
This is the best play for both of us.
Hey, I think you lost something too. How could you let those bitches take your cut? It's an embarrassment to Latinos everywhere.
Oh, shit.
What the hell was that? Why did she finger me? She couldn't help herself, remember? She's got too much hate for the law to make a deal. She's too afraid to put the lie on me.
Did Stahl set this up?
No marriage to me, okay? I promise. All right?
Stahl is the worst! Oh, shit! Welcome back, sir. God damn!
This is Dr. Percy. This is Jax.
Oh, this motherfucker.
Expirations.
Get us what you can.
Thank you.
What's everything?
Son of a bitch, Sam Crow's in the drug business. Nords are done, and almost getting burned to death tends to make one rethink one's priorities.
Revenge isn't exactly taking the high road.
Well, just because I ain't dirty doesn't mean that I'm a saint. You got the information. You do what you want.
That happened fast. That was a change of fucking... Darby wasn't back. Now he's back. And he's fucking up. Ah. Boo.
This real? I know.
Oh, that son of a bitch. We can't hurt this guy. Just do it.
Look at fingers. This seems hilarious.
You blocked the only camera. Because no witnesses or prints were all right.
Oh, I didn't even tell him. Damn. Hope they're clean.
Backlog of bad guys, I guess. See you then. Good night, gentlemen.
Good night.
Thank you.
I'll wait for our friend.
Paying the toll. Hope you find your boy, huh?
Poor bastard.
What is it?
Oh, don't do this.
You asked me for help. This isn't my fault.
I know. It's mine.
Knew that was coming.
I'm done.
Jesus fucking Christ. I can't knock him, I suppose. She looks exhausted. Oh, Jesus. Again? Is the fourth break of the season?
To stand and deliver.
Stahl is an animal!
Go. I won't let you go. Oh, now
Oh, Jax. Hey! Technically single. All of a couple hours at that point. Alright, that was episode 6 of season 3 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? Wow. As much as I was impressed with Jack's last episode, I am equally in totality, both parts impressed and disgusted with Stahl. Every time I see her, it's just... Every time I think she's taking me to the bottom, she fucking takes me to the gutter. It's just shocking. Why? Just because she needs a scapegoat? Ashley sleeps with her. How fucked up is that? It's not just like, oh, this is somebody I work with. This is, oh. Would it be hilarious if she just didn't know how to break up with her, so her solution is to get her arrested for murder? Wow. I feel bad for Tara. This has been a long time coming, though. Jackson and her have been... Jackson trying to break up with her. At least the third time he's trying to break up with her. This season, that is. I feel bad, but... There's no such thing as halfway crooks. Because even if Darby didn't snitch, something would have happened, which would have made him doubt the fucking bright idea of having her involved in the business. And to be fair, yeah, you're either in or you're out. It's hard to, yeah, I don't know. My bad. I don't know. That was a fun episode. It's my favorite season so far. I really love 2, too. I really love 2 as well. This season, almost strictly because of the end of the last episode, Lieutenant Jack Steller, I am happy. Now, things went well last 2, for everybody except Tara. But, you know there's a downturn coming. Something's about to pop off. It'll fuck some shit up. As per always. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.